Is it rain? Would it rain?
Yeah.
And what else?
So it get hot.
It would get hot?
Yeah.
And would you step in a puddle?
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
You get your old deck and get wet. Deck.
It would get wet on the deck?
Yeah.
And what?
Get rain.
It would rain?
Yeah. But so you get the pole and the pole here.
You would step in the puddle right here?
Yeah.
How many times?
Because once you can get rain, so you get hot and get hot.
It would get hot?
Yeah.
Very hot?
Yeah.
How do you know when it gets late?
Because I get rain, so I'm getting go rain.
It's gonna rain?
Yeah, you get rain, I'm going to go rain.
It would go away?
And then I'm going to get rain.
Oh.
So I got hold of get wet. That's all one. And this.
Can you show me a thumbs up? Yeah. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Woo! Who taught you that?
I get rain, so when you get rain.
Yeah.
So when you get rain, it's here.
Can you
Paul.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
I do it.
Can you sing Bubble?
Button?
Can you sing Bubble Bubble?
No.
If you sing Bubble Bubble, I'll let you push the button.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. You're doing it. If you sing Bubble, I'll let you push the button.
Mama do it.
You sing it.
No, Mama do it.
Can you count to 3?
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3,
Uh-huh.
4.
What comes next?
4, 6.
You forgot 5.
Yeah.
5. What comes after 5?
5.
Uh-huh. And what comes after 5? 6.
6.
And then what?
I push this button. I push this button.
You want to push that button?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your name?
No,
Okay, you have to tell me your name, and then I'll let you push it. Tell me your name.
no button.
Okay, tell me your name, and then I'll let you push it.
This button.
What's your name?
Hey.
Hayden what?
I push this
Hey what?
thing.
Are you Hey Bug?
I think. I push button.
Are you Hey Bug?
I push this button.
Yeah? You need to tell me your name.
Hi, Mama.
What's Mama's name?
I'm called Meg.
Meg. What's Dada's name?
I'm called Phil.
Rufino.
Yeah.
What's Cubby's name?
It's called Cubby.
What else?
It's Gertz.
And Grumps. And Yaya. And who else?
Connor.
Carm. Who else? Who else? What about Uncle Bogey?
No, I push.
No Uncle Buggy?
No, I don't. I push this button.
You. Okay, say I love you.
I love you.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Anything else you want to say?
Yeah.
What?
Bye. This button.